In a small town lived a young girl named Ronnie. She loved painting since she was very young. Whenever she had free time, she sat near the window with her colors and brushes and painted beautiful pictures of nature, birds, and people. Her dream was simple: to become the best painter in the school and win every art competition. Over the years, Ronnie became very skilled. She won many prizes and trophies. Her room was full of medals and certificates. Her friends admired her, teachers praised her, and her parents proudly told everyone about her medals. Because of this, Ronnie began to believe something strongly. Winning is the only proof that I am good. If she didn't win, she felt like a failure. If she came first, she was happy. If she didn't, she felt angry and upset. One day, the school announced a state-level art competition. Students from many schools would participate. The theme of the competition was kindness in the world. Ronnie practiced day and night. She wanted the first prize badly. When the competition day arrived, the hall was filled with talented students painting beautiful scenes. Ronnie painted a colorful picture of people helping each other after a storm. She was very confident about winning. Next to her sat a quiet boy named Rohit. He painted slowly and carefully. Ronnie glanced at his work and thought, "Mine is much better." A few minutes later, a boy approached Ronnie and asked for help. The small boy had accidentally spilled water on his painting and ruined it. He asked Ronnie for extra sheets and colors, but Ronnie refused to help. She thought, this is a competition, so why should I help others who are competing with me? Then the boy approached Rohit for help. Ronnie noticed Rohit talking to the younger participant who was crying. Rohit gently gave the boy his extra sheet and even shared some of his colors so the boy could try again. Ronnie watched silently. After a few hours, the judges announced the results. First prize goes to Rohit. Second prize goes to Ronnie. The hall filled with applause. Ronnie felt shocked. Her heart sank. How could I lose? She thought. She walked outside feeling upset and disappointed. Ronnie's art teacher, Mrs. Lakshmi, walked up to her. You look sad, she said softly. I lost. Ronnie replied, second place is useless. Mrs. Lakshmi smiled calmly and said, is it really useless? Ronnie didn't answer. Mrs. Lakshmi smiled kindly and said, did you notice Rohit helping that boy? Ronnie nodded. Mrs. Lakshmi continued, today Rohit didn't just win a prize. He showed the true meaning of the theme, kindness. She paused and added, winning competitions is good, but becoming a kind and generous person is far more important. Even though it is a competition, Rahul cared about helping others. Character matters more than medals. Kindness, teamwork, respect. These are bigger victories. Ronnie thought deeply about those words. For years, she had painted beautiful pictures about kindness, but she had been too focused on winning to truly practice it. She walked up to Rohit. Congratulations, she said sincerely. Rohit smiled warmly. Thank you. Your painting was beautiful too. That simple kindness made Ronnie feel lighter. For the first time, losing didn't feel like the end of the world. After that day, Ronnie continued painting, but her mindset changed. She began helping younger students learn painting. She shared her colors and ideas with others. She painted not just to win, but to express her love for art. Sometimes she won competitions. Sometimes she didn't. But she always felt happy because she had learned something far more valuable. Years later, Ronnie became a famous artist. When young students asked her the secret of success, she always said, paint with passion, help others grow, celebrate everyone's talent. And then she would add with a gentle smile, winning feels good, but winning is not everything. The real success is the goodness you spread through your talent. Moral of the story. Winning a prize is temporary, but kindness and character create lasting success. True victory is not just about being the best, but about making the world better.